A family whose son was killed in an officer-involved shooting is going to court.
Yeah, the parents of Osaze Osagie announced today they are suing the State College Police Department over the death of their son.
Osagie was killed at his State College apartment on March 20th. 3 officers with crisis intervention team training were serving a mental health warrant when they say Osagie came after them with a large knife. He was shot multiple times. A lengthy investigation found officers there were justified in their actions and no charges were filed.
It was announced today that the lawyers for Osagie's parents intend to file suit against some of those involved in the case.
Evan Hinckley was there at today's press conference. He joined us now live in State College. So Evan, can you tell us what do they plan to include now in this lawsuit?
Well, good evening, John, Amanda. As you had mentioned there, the Osagie family is suing State College Police Department along with the 3 officers who were at the scene of their son's death specifically. And today, the family's lawyers outlined what they hope to gain from this lawsuit. Their 4 main goals include mental health policy changes in State College Borough and beyond, more required training for officers, possible personnel changes, maybe the firing of certain officers and police leadership, and money for the Osagie family. The suit puts the borough and the Osagies in an interesting relationship, given the family praised the recently formed mental health task force, yet is suing the police department.
It happens all the time. I mean, at this point, the family clearly believes that certain things were done after the incident that they're pleased with, but at the same time, they're still unhappy that they have a son that's no longer alive.
The suit also serves as a way to start what the family's lawyers are saying will be an independent investigation into the case. They believe the district attorney's report is incomplete and that details are missing about how much police knew about Osagie's exact situation before knocking on his door.
Hopefully, it will reveal more information about what happened that day, who was involved, and how State College Police are trained to deal with people with mental health disabilities.
Members of the Osagie's legal team say the important part of their investigation is that it will be independent of any police department. The lawyers say they have not had talks with the State Attorney General's office related to any independent investigation, but would be open to discussions of collaboration. Now, this suit could allow the Osagie family to see currently confidential portions of this lawsuit, which they would use in their investigation. However, State College Borough does have the ability to fight this in court, and that would be up to a judge's decision. Currently, State College Borough has no comment on the pending lawsuit, and there's no timeline as to when the suit could officially be filed. Reporting live here in State College, Evan Hinckley, WTAJ News.